Let's unravel the mystery of present continuous passive. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the world of English grammar. We're going to talk about an interesting grammatical aspect: present continuous passive. It's a big name, but don't worry, we'll break it down together, and by the end of this video, it will be clear as daylight. Let's start from the basics. The present continuous passive is a tense we use to indicate an ongoing action that is happening at the moment and is performed on the subject of the sentence, not by the subject. Sounds tricky? Here is an example. The book is being read by Mary. In this sentence, the action, reading, is performed on the subject, the book, not by the subject itself. The structure of present continuous passive is quite simple. Form: subject plus is, am, are plus being plus past participle verb. Let's break it down. 1. We use the subject of the action at the beginning of the sentence. 2. Then we add is, am, or are, depending on the subject. 3. After that, we add the word, being. 4. Finally, we use the past participle of the main verb. To fully understand the present continuous passive, let's look at some examples. 1. Pizza is being eaten by John. The action of eating is performed on the subject, pizza. 2. The house is being painted by the workers. The action of painting is performed on the subject, the house. Remember, the point of using the passive voice is often to emphasize the action or the thing receiving the action, rather than the person doing the action. It can be a handy tool when the actor is unknown, irrelevant, or we want to deliberately shift focus. We often use the present continuous passive in formal writing or in situations where the focus is on the action rather than who is doing it. It's also common in news reporting, scientific explanations, and when describing processes or procedures. Here's a tip. Use this tense to make your speech more diverse and sound more fluent and professional. It's also helpful when you don't know or don't want to mention who is doing the action. Well, we've reached the end of our journey today. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use the present continuous passive in your conversations and writing, the more natural it will feel. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, stay curious, and continue your English language journey with confidence. Until next time, happy learning!